The Talking Drum and the Proud King. Long ago, in the ancient land of Onioka, there lived a mighty ruler named King Odigon. His palace was made of gold and ivory, his words were law, and his pride was greater than the tallest palm tree. The people loved their king, but they feared his temper. In Onioka, drums were sacred. The talking drum carried messages across villages, spoke during festivals, and told stories of the ancestors. But King Odigon grew so proud that he began to see himself as greater than tradition. One bright morning during the annual festival, the royal drummers began to play Bo Bo Bo. The rhythm filled the air with joy. But the king raised his hand and shouted, "Enough! From today, no drum shall speak in my kingdom. My voice is the only sound my people need." The crowd fell silent. The drummers dropped their sticks. From that day, the land grew quiet. Without the drum's heartbeat, something changed in Onioka. The crops began to dry, the air became heavy, and even the birds refused to sing. One night, an old drummer named Baba Ero sat by the river with his broken drum. With tears in his eyes, he whispered to the wind, "O ancestors, forgive us. Our king has silenced your voice." Then, from the deep forest came a mysterious sound, slow and powerful, Bo Bo Bo. The sound grew louder, echoing through the night. The people trembled, for it was the spirit drum, the sacred drum of their forefathers. The drum spoke in a thunderous voice that only the king could hear. "O King Odigon, you silenced the heartbeat of your people. You allowed pride to blind your wisdom. Without rhythm, your land cannot breathe." The king fell to his knees. "Forgive me," he cried. "I did not know pride could destroy what love built." The next morning, he called his people together and said humbly, "Let the drums speak again. Let them call the spirits of joy, for I have learned that no man's voice is greater than the voice of the ancestors." When the drummers began to play once more, the skies cleared, rain fell gently, and the crops rose again. The children danced, the birds sang, and the kingdom was restored to peace. From that day, King Odigon ruled with humility. And every festival, he bowed before the talking drum, a reminder that pride can silence a nation, but humility brings it back to life.